Hey guys, Jesse here at X Golf Carmel. We're gonna play the third hole at Pebble Beach and learn how we play the game on our simulators. So what I'm gonna see, total length of the hole up here on the left. On the right-hand side, I'm gonna get a preview of the entire hole, so an overhead view of it. There's a big white post out here with a big spinny X on top of it. That is right here, and that is 251 yards away from me, and it's 8 yards downhill. So you can see I've got bunkers down the right side of this hole. If I hit it 250 or 260 yards, I'm probably gonna go in those bunkers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna aim a little bit left so that I don't worry about hitting it into those bunkers. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna aim this a little bit to the left so that I don't run into the bunkers if I go through the fairway. So I'm gonna push the left red button here at the bottom. And then this is teed up a little high for my forward, so I'm gonna bring the tee down a little bit. Let's see how I do. Okay. So now I've got my second shot into a par 4. I've got 109 yards to the pin. The white post is going to be right on top of the hole. So that's telling me that I've got 109 yards and it's just 0.2 yards uphill. So I'm going to hit a sand wedge and see how I do. All right, so when I get my ball out here, I'm not going to hit it off the tee because I'm hitting a sand wedge. I want to make sure I put it just behind these 4 dots right here. That allows the sensors to pick up the ball and give it the proper speeds and spins and heights. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I hit the green. We've got about a 30-foot putt. This is going to tell me right here, 31 feet. Down at the bottom here, it's going to tell me 31 feet, and then it's going to tell me it's 0.1 feet downhill. This is important when you're putting. If it's downhill or uphill, the putts are going to roll a lot different. These little guys here are telling me how the green is sloping. So I'm in a pretty good spot. This ball's only going to turn a little bit to the right. So I get a ball. And now I'm definitely not going to hit off the tee. I actually have a different little knob here that I put the ball on. And I'm going to putt from here. This line on the ground here is dead straight. So this ball's going to curve slightly right. So when I putt it, I'm going to putt it just off the left side of this. Okay? It's 31 feet away on the game. The screen is 16 feet. So if I hit a putt and the ball goes up and just barely gets to the screen, it's gonna roll 16 feet. So that means I've got to hit this ball about twice as hard as it would take to get to the screen. So let's check it out. So I didn't hit it quite hard enough. I'm 4 feet away. But a great thing about X Golf, anything inside of 7 feet, it's good. Pick it up.